Hi, I'm Miss Roxy, the special education teacher for 5th grade at Lowry Elementary School. Here is my Google Classroom that your child is part of. You could use this on their Chromebooks to access skills and things that are needed to be successful in 5th grade. Right here, you could see this is the math link to practice Zearn. Once your child is logged into Zearn, you can go in and see different activities that we actually are working on in the classroom. If homework comes home that your child doesn't understand in math, I suggest going to YouTube, searching for grade 5, the module that we are in, and the lesson number. For example, I'm going to do lesson 11. When you click on it, go to this Dwayne Habecker. He has the best videos to help with math homework. He shows everything that needs to be done. If you're not sure what activity we're working on, sorry, they have commercials on here. But once you do, you could see this right here shows 5th grade, module 1, and lesson 11. So this will tell you exactly what we're doing in the class, like whatever you see coming home. 5th grade, module 1, lesson 11. So I could come here and watch him model exactly what we're doing. He shows lots of information on the procedures and everything. This is actually going to be starting next week, this particular lesson. Next thing I want to show you is Amplify. This right here is based off your student's needs. So once your student logs in, there's going to be different activities to help with reading skills. I would suggest to make sure to have your child wear headphones while working on these things because they're animated, they make sounds, they're actually having to listen to skills, so it's very important that they actually can hear what's going on. And if your child is having problems logging in, please contact me immediately. You could text me, call me. Sometimes my phone doesn't work. I need a new one, but make sure to text me and I'll return your call or I'll send you a screenshot of your child's login. Thank you.